This week you're going to be exploring two of the streams, as Foster calls them, of Christian expressions of faithfulness, the charismatic stream and the social justice stream. And I've purposely placed those two together side by side because often folks in one or the other stream, in contemporary American culture anyway, tend to think, oh, they don't have that much in common. The people that focus on one way of expressing that kind of Christian faithfulness in contrast to the other tend to often be kind of in different places along the theological continuum. And so we often think that they're not related, but actually I would suggest to you that they are. So this week, as you do the readings in Foster and as you look at the various materials posted on the website, be looking for places where the charismatic stream and the social justice stream touch one another. And I really look forward to hearing your comments and thoughts in your forum posts about what that might be. So enjoy and hang in there as you're in the final few days of the semester.